In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use labels and filters in Gmail. This is an essential skill for managing your inbox more efficiently and keeping all those important emails organized. So let's dive right in. To start off, open your Gmail account and direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a small plus icon next to the word labels. Click on this plus icon to begin creating a new label. Now this might seem very straightforward, but it's a powerful tool for keeping your inbox clutter-free. Once you click the icon, a dialog box will appear asking you to type the name of your new label. Here, think about the kind of organization you'd like to have. Maybe you want labels for different projects, or perhaps for personal versus work emails. Once you have the name in mind, type it into the box. Make sure it's something easy to remember and representative of the emails you plan to categorize under it. With your label name ready, the next step is simply to click on the Create button. And just like that, you've created your very first label. Congratulations, this label will now appear under the label section and you can start moving emails into it whenever you like. Next we'll jump into creating filters, which will automatically categorize emails as they arrive. First, you need to click on the settings icon located at the top right corner of your Gmail page. It's the one that looks like a little gear. After clicking this, a drop down menu will appear. From here, select See All Settings. This will take you to a new page with various tabs. Our focus is on the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab, so go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Filters section, look for the button that says Create a New Filter. When you click on it, a dialog box will pop up, demonstrating several options to fine-tune your filter criteria. To simplify things today, let's start by entering the email address of a person whose emails you'd like to filter in the From field. After inputting their email, click Create Filter once more. At this point you'll see various options. You want to apply the label you just created to these filtered emails. Select Apply the Label, click on Choose Label, and then pick the label you just set up. This will ensure that any emails from that address will automatically go to the specified label section in your inbox. Finally, click on Create Filter and you're set. You've successfully created a filter that will keep your inbox neat by moving emails into the designated label as they come in. And there you have it. You've mastered creating labels and filters in Gmail, a small investment of time that will pay off in spades with a more organized inbox. Thank you for joining me today, and happy emailing.